Aurora Storage Products, U.S. manufacturer of quality storage and filing products, recently completed an interesting athletic project at Waubonsee Community College we'd like to share with you. Waubonsee Community College expanded its field house to keep pace with student enrollment. Finished in spring 2015, the massive facility has 3 indoor courts, training rooms, a fitness center, and plenty of team storage. The layout features cage storage areas for golf, baseball, and tennis equipment. Each cubby has a mini Aurora storage system in Waubonsee team colors. Take a look at the components. Open shelving for towels and buckets of balls, locking cabinets above for personal items, tall tambour door shelving with garment racks for clothes, and storage for tennis rackets, bats, or golf bags. Multiple groups of Aurora shelving and cabinets contain departmental storage, whether exercise equipment, yoga mats, and free weights for the fitness center, or team uniforms, chipping mats, balls, gloves, and gear for a particular sport. Aurora helps with game day prep too. Our wire shelving stows those familiar orange sports drink coolers for the hardworking Waubonsee Chiefs. Can't forget about storage for staff offices either. Aurora combo units with filing drawers and shelving keep office supplies, binders, and files neat and organized.
Having Aurora Storage Solutions help us out in our design and implementation of our storage needs was a great benefit for us instead of going to a box store and trying to buy off the shelf. So it was a great benefit for us, helping us in our cooperative needs as to what we need to do to get our storage solutions taken care of. So once we started going through the installation process, then again we were able to customize our specific needs as we were moving along in each room of the installation process. The coaches absolutely love it. They're like kids in a candy store right now. The coaches like the aspect that they can lock up certain items and then just be able to go in and have stuff stored on a shelf instead of everybody just being packed in one big room.
Aurora Storage Products can custom design athletic storage for your facility too. Just call 800-277-1699 or visit us on the web, aurorastorage.com.